Hi. The topic of this article is Characteristics of Scientific Research. Published on the essaykeeper.com website, the best-in-class essay writing service for college and university students. So, let's move on to maintenance. The 9 main characteristics of science are the following: objectivity, verifiable, ethical neutrality, systematic exploration, reliability, precision, abstraction, and predictability. 1. Objectivity. Scientific knowledge is objective. Simple objectivity means the ability to see and accept facts as they are, not as one might wish they were. To be objective, one has to protect oneself against one's own prejudices, beliefs, desires, values, and preferences. Objectivity requires that one should set aside all kinds of subjective considerations and prejudices. If you are afraid that your work will not be objective enough, then you can ask us to write my essays or order proofreading. 2. Verifiable. Science rests on sensory data, that is, data collected through our senses: eye, ear, nose, tongue, and touch. Scientific knowledge is based on verifiable evidence, concrete objective observations, so that other observers can observe, weigh or measure the same phenomena and verify the observation to verify its accuracy. Is there a God? Is the Varna system ethical, or the questions related to the existence of the soul, heaven or hell are not scientific questions because they cannot be treated objectively? The evidence regarding its existence cannot be gathered through our senses. Science has no answers for everything. Deal only with those questions about which verifiable evidence can be found. 3. Ethical neutrality. Science is ethically neutral. It only seeks knowledge. How this knowledge will be used is determined by the values of society. Knowledge can be used for different uses. Knowledge about atomic energy can be used to cure diseases or to wage an atomic war. Ethical neutrality does not mean that the scientist does not have values. Here it only means that you should not allow your values to distort the design and conduct of your research proposal. Therefore, scientific knowledge is value neutral or value free. 4. Systematic exploration. A scientific investigation adopts a certain sequential procedure, an organized plan, or a research designed to collect and analyze data about the problem under study. In general, this plan includes some scientific steps: formulation of hypotheses, compilation of facts, analysis of facts, classification, coding and tabulation, and generalization and scientific prediction. 5. Reliable or reliable. Scientific knowledge must occur under the prescribed circumstances not once but repeatedly. It is replicable in the indicated circumstances in any place and at any time. The conclusions based on casual memories are not very reliable. 6. Accuracy. Scientific knowledge is precise. It is not vague as some literary writings. Tennyson wrote, "Every moment a man dies, every moment that one is born, it is good literature but not science." To be a good science, it should be written as, in India, according to the 2001 census, every 10th, on average, a man dies, every 4th second, on average, a baby is born. Accuracy requires giving the exact number or measure. Instead of saying most people are against marriages for love, says a scientific researcher, 90% of people are against marriages for love. 7. Accuracy. Scientific knowledge is precise. A doctor, like a common man, will not say that the patient has a mild temperature or that he has a very high temperature, but after measuring with the help of the thermometer, he will declare that the patient has a temperature of 101.2 F. Precision simply means truth or correction of a statement or description of things with exact words as they are without jumping to unjustified conclusions. Every essay helper on our team always works by this rule. 8. Abstraction. Science proceeds on a plane of abstraction. A general scientific principle is highly abstract. He is not interested in giving a realistic image. 9. Predictability. Scientists not only describe the phenomena that are studied, but also try to explain and predict. It is typical of the social sciences that have a much lower predictability compared to the natural sciences. The most obvious reasons are the complexity of the subject and the insufficiency in the control, etc. End of article. You always can get essay writing help with essaykeeper.com. Bye.